Hi, I'm Evan Parks, and I'm the author of the book Chronic Pain Rehabilitation, Active Pain Management that helps you get back to the life that you love. The reason that I wrote this book is because I work in a wonderful pain rehabilitation program at Mary Free Bed Rehabilitation Hospital, and the kind of transformations that we see take place on a regular basis among our pain patients is just too good to keep to ourselves. I wanted the research and the evidence-based treatment program that we're using to be made available to all the millions of people around the world that are struggling with chronic pain. Not everybody can come to our program. What we see on a regular basis are people who have come to our program after they've had multiple surgeries to repair their surgeries, stimulator devices. They've been put on medications and more medications and taken off medications. And they've had injections and all kinds of treatment to try to address their chronic pain without much success. As people come to our program, they're pretty discouraged and they're not sure what else can be done. But as soon as they begin to get engaged in our program, they realize there is something unique and different about what we are doing. We are helping them understand how chronic pain develops. We're giving them clear explanations that make sense. We're helping them learn how to calm down their nervous system. And we're helping them move forward with their life, even though chronic pain really does set some significant barriers to living. And we see people get back to the life that they love, get back to the hobbies that they've enjoyed, get back to playing with their children, with their grandchildren, getting back to full employment. And these kinds of things are happening on a regular basis. And it is so wonderful to see this kind of thing take place. And I just felt compelled to share that story here in this book. And what I'm going to be doing with this video series is taking every section of this book, every chapter of this book, and breaking it down into 1 or 2 or 3, 4-minute videos so that you can understand a key principle and how to apply that principle and help you manage your pain more effectively. And some of the videos that I'll be doing will also be covered on the podcast. I have a podcast called Pain Rehab Podcast. You can find that on Spotify, on Apple, on Google, on iHeart. You can find it on all the platforms that are out there. And I'd love to hear from you. The video series is called Answers to Your Questions About Chronic Pain. So I want to hear from you. Contact me through the website, painrehabsource.com. Use the contact me, and I'd love to hear your questions, and I'll be answering them in this video series and on the podcast. I look forward to getting to know you, and I look forward to you getting to know me through this video series. I'll talk again with you soon. Take care.